What if I told you that there are digital products on Etsy that were made completely with AI that are earning over $1,000 a month? I know it can sound a little too good to be true, but hear me out. No matter how you feel about it, AI has completely changed the game with how quickly and how easily you can grow your own shop. In fact, my top selling item in my digital download shop is a product I created using 100% AI, and within only 3 months, it brought me in nearly $17,000 in revenue, which is wild to think about, but it really did happen. In today's video, I am walking you through 5 incredibly easy digital products that you can create with AI, and you don't even need a graphic design background. These are all backed by data, they're low competition, and they're in high demand. I'll also be showing you real listings and how much they're earning per month. That way you can see for yourself the true potential. Make sure you watch the entire video because one of the products I'm sharing today is bringing in over $5,000 a month. And I think you might be shocked at what that product is. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Dania, and on my channel, I share everything I've learned and continue to learn. I teach all of this and more inside of my online membership. If you want done for you daily product ideas, AI prompts, research breakdowns, and hands-on support, check out the link in the description to join my community. Without any further ado, let's get into it. For number 1, we will begin with clip art. Clip art can be a lot of fun because there are a ton of different products and different niches that you can create clip art for. Let's pop over to the Everbee keyword research tool to get a bit more information about clip art. Per Everbee, we can see here that we have over 900 monthly searches, but the competition is over 1.8 million, which really will give you no opportunity to even compete. And that is why Everbee is showing us here that we have a keyword score of 0. There's just too much competition, so you want to make sure that you are niching it down. The listing I found here is niched down to Afro hairstyles, and it's a bundle pack which provides a lot of value to your customer, and it's very different. You don't see a whole lot of this on Etsy, so this will be something I would potentially think about targeting if I was in the clip art niche. Per Everbee, we see here that we have a 2-month-old listing with over 200 orders, earning $1,050 a month. This is a brand new listing, being only 2 months old. So to have gotten over 200 orders in that short amount of time is incredibly telling to me. It shows me that A, there is potential, and B, there is a demand. People are actively purchasing this item. We'll hop over to the tags that they're using. Okay, and they have really good tags. They have female hairstyles with 90 searches a month, only 1,100 competition, and per Everbee, we have a keyword score of 80, which is a lot better than the 0 that we previously saw. Then we have Afro Beauty Clip Art with 83 monthly searches, only 1,500 competition, and a keyword score of 60. Then we have Beautiful Hairstyles with 98 monthly searches, 1,500 competition, and again, keyword score of 60. So this just goes to show you that there is potential and people are buying this particular style. You can easily create clip art in Midjourney, which is what I'd recommend because you can create really high-end looking clip art in a matter of moments, and you get 4 different images per prompt. For number 2, we have PNG. PNGs are a lot of fun to create for because very similar to clip art, you can create a PNG for really anything. You can go after a lot of different niches. You can have a PNG for a t-shirt, for a tote bag, for a pillow, an ornament, really anything. I do find them to be a lot of fun to create because you can really be creative and they are incredibly profitable. We'll hop over to the Everbee keyword research tool, and we can see here that we have over 1,000 monthly searches, but that competition again is over 5.2 million. And that is why, again, we have that keyword score of 0 from Everbee, letting us know that PNG alone, it's too competitive. But let me show you the listing I found. The listing I found here is a bestseller, and it is currently in over 5 cards. This one in particular is niche down to autism and autism awareness, which does incredibly well on Etsy. According to Everbee, we have a 3-month-old listing with over 1,100 orders, and it is earning $1,854 a month, which is beyond incredible. I find this again to be very, very impressive that a 3-month-old listing is earning nearly $1,900 a month. Let's go ahead and check out the tags. The tags that this shop owner is using are autism acceptance with over 350 monthly searches, a little bit of higher competition with 23,000 competition, keyword score of 20, which is not the highest, but it's pretty decent. But look below that, they have autism puzzle pieces with over 150 monthly searches, 6,900 competition, and a keyword score of 20. And then we have autism teacher PNG with 72 monthly searches, 3,500 competition, and a keyword score of 20. So this one is doing incredibly well. You can create a PNG, you can try Canva, you can do Kittl, Midjourney, Dolly, and ideogram as well. And by the way, I do have a link for Galaxy AI, which is a subscription service where you can essentially have access to multiple AI generators under one program. I do recommend that, especially if you're new. It can get really pricey to have to feel like you need to invest in each and every AI generator. But what I do like about Galaxy AI is that you can just pay the one price per month and you get Midjourney, ideogram, Dolly. You get some really good AI generators in there. So if you do want to check it out, I do have a link below. Moving into number 3. For number 3, we have coloring pages. These are a lot of fun to create because you can appeal to a lot of different people. Here we have a holiday related one. You can also appeal to children who love to color and adults who love to color. You can go after a tarot type of theme. You can target a religious theme, a floral theme. You can do a lot of different things with coloring pages. We'll hop over to the Everbee keyword research tool, and we have nearly 400 monthly searches, a lot of competition though with over 300,000. And like with number 1 and number 2, we have that 0 keyword score. The listing that I did find, however, is a per moments type of coloring page. I think it's very cute. A quick side note, I did do a little bit of research, and the words kooky puff, those are trademarks, so you don't want to use them, but I still want to show you the potential and give you a little bit of inspiration to put your own take on it without using the word kooky puff. You don't want to use that in your listing photos. You don't want to use it in your title or your tags or your description. Let's pull up the information from Everbee. And we have a 3-month-old listing with 300 orders, making $1,300 a month. Again, another impressive listing, doing well, and it's still a new listing. Let's go ahead and check out the tags. Okay, the first tag they're using is per moments book with 25 monthly searches, but only 9 competition with a very high keyword score of 2780. I'm going to skip the second tag they're using because again, that is trademarked, but we'll go into Jade Summer Coloring with 137 monthly searches, over 200 competition, and a keyword score of 660. Then we have Girl Moments Book with 285 monthly searches, 700 competition, and a keyword score of 400. So this just goes to show you that coloring books and coloring pages can be incredibly profitable. You can easily create these in Kittl. They do have a coloring book feature, so you would enter the prompt of what you want, and then you would click the coloring page option, and then you would get beautifully designed coloring pages, which are a lot of fun to create. Let's move into number 4. But before we go into number 4, if you're getting value from the video so far, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. That way you don't miss any future content that I put out on my channel. Now we'll move into number 4. For number 4, we have mockups. I did sell mockups at one point in my shop and I really enjoyed it. You can have a mockup for anything. We have wall art, we have t-shirts, we have sweatshirts, we have mugs, you can do a mockup for anything. Making our way over to the keyword research tool, we have over 1,000 monthly searches, but the competition is again very high with over 500,000. And just like with numbers 1, 2, and 3, we have that keyword score of 0. The listing I found, however, is a bundle of candle mockups, and these are a lot of fun to create. I did have candle mockups in my digital shop at one point. Per Everbee, we have a 4-month-old listing with 90 sales, earning over $1,000 a month. And something that I want you to keep in mind is it doesn't have 200 orders or 300 orders like the prior examples that I showed, but look at the dollar amount. It's currently on sale for $12.48, but the full retail is nearly $50. So you wouldn't need to have a crazy influx of volume in order to earn good revenue on this particular item. I mean, again, we have an item making over $1,000 a month, and it's only a 4-month-old listing. Let's make our way down to the tag section. Okay, and we have candle mockups with over 50 monthly searches, 400 competition, and a high keyword score of 110. Then we have candle mockup video with 12 monthly searches, 185 competition, and a keyword score of 70. Then we have amber candle mockup with 33 monthly searches, 900 competition, and a keyword score of 30. You can easily create these in Midjourney. We'll hop into number 5. And for number 5, we have wall art. A lot of the members in my online community do sell wall art in their shop, and they love it. And I can't say I blame them, because wall art, if you do it correctly, can be incredibly profitable. And really, it's a lot of fun to create for, because again, with the other products that I showed you, there are so many different things you can do with wall art, a ton of different niches, a lot of different aesthetics and vibes. You can appeal to a lot of different people. Moving over to the keyword research tool, we have over 4,300 monthly searches, but that competition, over 18 million competition, I know you're not shocked by now that we have a keyword score of 0. The listing I did find was very shocking, and the reason why it was shocking is because it's a Halloween wall art bundle. Halloween was a long time ago, yet I'm showing you a listing that is still doing well. Per Everbee, we have a 7-month-old listing with over 930 orders. This month, it has earned $5,125, which is beyond incredible. That can be life-changing for a lot of us out there. This month alone, going back to what I was saying earlier about Halloween being a long time ago, it's still bringing in over 100 orders a month. And Halloween was many months ago, and it's coming up again quickly too. But it goes to show you that you can still earn revenue on a holiday-related item. They tend to do well all year. So don't think that after the holidays are over that particular item will automatically stop selling. But look at this one here with over 130 orders a month, bringing in $5,100 a month from one listing. We'll go ahead and check out the tags. Okay, and we have Gothic Gallery Wall with over 500 monthly searches, only 10,000 competition, and a keyword score of 50. Then we have Halloween Gallery with over 400 monthly searches, again, competition of 10,000 with a keyword score of 40. Then we have Dark Academia Decor with 1,900 monthly searches, 111,000 competition, which is a bit higher, and a keyword score of 20. What I want to reiterate is that you can have an item continue to do well even after that time frame for which it was intended. The whole point is just getting the items in your shop that have the low competition and that are in high demand. The really fun thing too about wall art is you can use a number of different AI image generators. My top 2 favorites would be Midjourney and Kittl. I do love Kittl because they have different art styles. You can do oil painting, acrylic painting, digital art. They have a lot of different options you can choose from to get the look that you're looking for. Another cool thing about that too is you can enter a prompt into Kittl. You can choose one type of painting style, run the same prompt, but try a different painting style, and you'll get 2 completely different images, which means that you can have multiple wall art pieces in your shop up in a matter of moments. And I did want to throw in a quick tip. I know that watching these types of videos can feel inspiring and overwhelming. The items that I share today are the exact type of research that I offer to my group members in my online membership. I also share the exact strategies that I use in my digital and my print on demand shops that help them both blow up. So if you're ready to get out of that rabbit hole and you're ready to actually take action, don't forget to check out the link below in the description. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.